So this is the Stefan apparatus. So first of all, see the components of the Stefan apparatus. So this is the water heater. So this is the hemispherical bowl, and inside the hemispherical bowl, here you can see at the bottom there is a copper disc, and this is the thermocouple used to read the copper disc temperatures, right? And the other three thermocouples are fixed across the spherical hemisphere so that we can read the average temperature of the hemisphere. So inside this hemispherical. So here you can see this is the temperature indicator. So now we are going to switch on the power to this apparatus. So first of all, see the temperature rotations. So here you can see 1, 2, 3. So these three temperatures are related to the hemisphere. Okay, the three thermocouples are mounted across the hemisphere. So 1, 2, 3 indicates the temperatures for hemisphere. Next, coming to the fourth reading. So the fourth temperature indicates the copper disc temperature. So T4 indicates copper disc temperature. Next, coming to the T5 temperature, that indicates the water temperature. So here we are going to see 5 temperatures. 1, 2, 3 relates to the hemisphere, and 4 relates to the copper disc, and 5 indicates the temperature of the water. So now before going to start the experiment, we are going to turn on the heater. So here we are going to switch on the heater, and we are going to see the temperature of the water to come to 85 degrees. So here we are going to fix 85 degrees as the water temperature. So we can fix any temperature. So that depends upon you. So I am going to fix the 85 degrees temperature to the water. So wait for some time until the temperature reaches to 85 degrees. So now it is 80 degrees. So wait for some time so that the water temperature will reach to 85 degrees centigrade. So now it is 83. So now switch off the heater. So now the water temperature is 85 degrees centigrade. So now turn on this valve. So here you can see, so this is the entry from the heater. So this is the water entry into the hemisphere. So now you can turn on this so that the hot water enters into this hemisphere. So now we need to wait until the water fills the total hemisphere. So how we know that the water is completely filled in the hemisphere means you can see this is a tube from which, so if the hemisphere is full, then we can see the water is coming out from this tube, right? So because here you can see this is the out from the hemisphere. So we need to wait until water comes from this tube. So here you can see this is the overflow. So whenever the water is going to fill in the hemisphere, so the water will overflow from this tube. So we need to wait until the water overflows from this hemisphere.